Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm a little sick, and I got a package from I think it was Merritt, if I remember right. I've removed the labels and what from the box, so I can't remember at the moment. But I'm gonna crack it open, and inside should be some really good stuff. In the past, he sent me some Action Man paratrooper equipment, or not paratrooper equipment, Space Ranger equipment. And now I've ordered some more stuff from him. Make sure everything's in frame. Let me zoom it out. Over there I'll be putting items. There we are. First fit, Action Man figure. Crack this open. Lay that out. We've got some vintage Action Man hand pegs and a pair of Cotswold Action hands. Check and see, figures restrung. I might tighten them up a little bit. Hard to tell. Hair's a little rough, but should be hidden. And here we've got some of his equipment. Little sneak peek. And here we've got more of his equipment. Again, we sneak peek. And oh, what's this? What have we got down here? Merritt popcorn. Tennessee. It looks like he sent a bag of popcorn. I'm gonna have to see if you can do this up normally, because I don't think we have a functioning microwave. And let me get this figure kitted out and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got him uniformed up. I was too afraid to use the lace-up boots because they're so tough. I thought they were going to break his ankles. So I put on a pair of regular vintage Action Man boots. I think that might be 40th anniversary. The beret looks snappy on him. I like that. The overall uniform is in fantastic shape. And over here you can see his buddy. That one I got off Etsy a while back and I built together. Late issue beret, tunic, scarf, boots, pants, and reserve that all came together in one lot. They were on a Modern Joe and they were missing a fair bit of items, so I threw on the rifle and the parachute pack and this and that and other. And he looks okay. I need to upgrade him a little bit. But now I have two paratroopers, so I'm pretty excited about that. Just made sure that the camera's still running, it's pretty low on battery. Thank you very much, Ed. I'm so sorry I made you wait so long on that purchase. And yeah, hopefully these two work out pretty well side by side on my shelf. And this has been Sam Surplus. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.